Shalom, this is Baruch Rappaport for Torah Online, Chumash and Rashi with Parshat HaShavua, Parshat Vayishlach. Today we're going to be looking at chapter 32, verse 4. That's Perek Lamed Beit, Pasuk Daled. Let's see first the verse with the relevant Rashi, and then to answer the questions, we will need to see the super commentators on Rashi. Here's the Pasuk. Vayishlach Yaakov, and Yaakov sent Malachim lefanav. Malachim are usually translated as angels, but in this sense, it's translated as messengers. But here, that's going to be the whole point of today's talk, so let's leave it for later. Okay, let's see Rashi. Rashi says, there are a few Rashis on this pasuk. We're going to learn one of them today. On the part of the pasuk that says, Vayishlach Yaakov Malachim, and Yaakov sent Malachim, says Rashi, Malachim Mamash. Actual, bona fide Malachim. Real live Malachim, real live heavenly angels. Even though in this sense, when someone sends Malachim to give a message to someone else, it's often real people. For example, when Moshe sent Malachim to the king of Edom, or when Yisrael sent Malachim to Sichon, so there the Malachim being referred to are real people, messengers. But over here, Rashi says, don't make such a mistake over here. It really means angels, heavenly angels. Okay, let's see the questions. Here are the questions. When we look at the medrash that Rashi brings, if you notice, Rashi brought a medrash. You see here it says Genesis Rabbah, Breshit Rabbah. That's the medrash. So when we look in the medrash that Rashi brings, we see that there are two opinions, whether the messengers were real people or angels. Why did Rashi choose the opinion that they were angels to explain the simple reading of the text? No opinion was victorious over there. It remains two opinions in Chazal, in the sages. And yet Rashi just brings as his simple understanding that malachim mamish, actual malachim. And also, while we're at it, because it's related, why does the verse express itself here lefanav, before him? In other places it doesn't say like that. When Moshe and when Yeshua sent messengers, it doesn't say lefanav, just Vayishlach Moshe malachim el melech Edom, and Moshe sent messengers to the king of Edom, and so too when Yisrael sent to Sichon, and when Yeshua sent two spies into Eretz Yisrael, it doesn't say in any of those places lefanav. It could have just said, Vayishlach Yaakov Malachim El Esav Achiv. It doesn't have to say lefanav at all. What does it say lefanav for? So for that, I have to show you the super commentators.